This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Stratton Decor, Driftwoo Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, slideout, TV, air conditioning, TV antenna, stove top burner, auxiliary battery, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is built on a Spartan K2 Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 450-HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.